Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel and happy Halloween. I'm thrilled to announce that I got my project done, my album done, that I started for my 2024 Frightful Halloween Craft With Me week. I started it on Monday. I have different tutorials. I have a playlist that you can check it out to find the tutorial. It's a free tutorial. I use a collection that I purchased from Country Craft Creations. The Simple Story, Simple Vintage Scary Story Collection. Love how this album turned out. I kept it pretty simple here on the front. So stay tuned and we'll take a peek at it on the inside. Let's take a look inside at this fun Halloween album that I designed. Using a collection from Country Craft Creations. This is an 8 1/4 by 8 1/4 album cover, which means for me the pages on the inside, I use the L-hinge pages. It has 2-page sets, but they're kind of loaded. 7 3/4 wide by 8 1/4 tall pages. So technically you can call it an 8 by 8 if you want, but that's what I designed, and I do have the free tutorial series that you can follow along. So here on the front, I of course made the book. Wrapped the cover using the lay flat method designed by Tamara of Country Craft Creations. I wrapped with the black artisan cardstock, then I matted with the dot paper, and then matted with the jack-o'-lantern. I matted it with the skeleton paper, and then I used a black mat, a plaid orange mat, and then another black mat, and assembled this sticker. You had to put them all together, whatever position you wanted. This is all from the collection, the Simple Story, Simple Vintage Scary Story Collection. Then I used chipboard stars here, a little Halloween sticker, and on foam dots, foam squares, I layered up some of the ephemera, added the 31, and then a chipboard bat. And the spine is out of this design, and then the back matches the front, and then I put this ephemera piece called, it says Skullabrate. So I thought that was cute. So when you open it up, here on the inside front cover, we have this double flap like this. I used some of the elements here, I think some of the stickers, chipboard bat, and I made a magnetic closure. Now I did originally put the closure in the flap, but then I decided I needed a bigger magnet, so I added this flap on. So I have a Halloween telegram, added the chipboard bat like I said, and then this flips up. So here's the back side. I kind of filled in the spookogram with some of the stickers. The bottom flaps down like this, so you can put photos here and here. And then here I added some of the ephemera pieces. This is a chipboard skeleton. Piece this part together and added some of the gemstones, and then I made a tab pull here because this is a push-pull waterfall like that for your portrait style photos. So all of these are left blank, and a 4x6 photo will fit on there. Okay, so then that closes up, and it closes really good with the bigger magnet like that. This one here, I decorated it. This is a double flap with some of the elements that you can order for that collection. Some chipboard stars, some flat back gems, this different elements here. I just kind of arranged them together, collaged them together, added a little spider here and a bigger one there. And this comes completely off, so we can open our flaps to the left and to the right. You can add photos in here. I did leave a opening on each one so that you could stick a photo under there. This is a pocket. We have some tags with different little elements on them, a cut apart. Here's a tag here, and then I decorated with some of the stickers and the ephemera pieces. So that just closes like that, and then this holds it down nice and secure so that you can flip your page. So this is page 1, and the back of page 1 has a pocket which has a flap tag which is held with a magnet, and so you can take this completely out, and it's decorated there with a bunch of the with a cut apart and some chipboard elements The back side has some stickers, Boo to You, and then if you flip it this away, you have your cut apart element there and a sticker here. And so you can leave that out, kind of like stand it up like that. And then in the pocket here, we have a booklet, which has a tag up here in the top, stickers, chipboard, some of the flat back embellishments here, some more of the ephemera that I had, and then open it up. These are left open so your photos can go in there. And this one is attached down. You could put a photo back there. Decorated this with stickers. And element here that covers the magnet, which I put on top of the pocket and then under here. Yeah, right there. And then this is a little tag which I left open. If you wanted to stick a picture under it or something, you could. So had a lot of fun decorating this. I got a little spider stickers peeking out and more spiders that, you know, like jumped off the paper. Okay, so page 2 here has a little magnetic closure here. I decorated with chipboard, some of the stickers, some of the ephemera. And this opens up, magnets under there. This comes down. You could put photo here and a photo there. Then we have these little square flaps that you could add photos to. And I just left them with the patterned paper. Then I added ghost stickers on all the corners and Halloween there. Love how that looks. It's just a different little fun page for Halloween. Flip this over. We have a pocket, which I decorated with ephemera, stickers, some gemstones, some sticker stars, ghouls, rule, wicked, good. And then we have tags. All these are left open. These are from the ephemera, so you can put your photo under there. Frightfully spooky. This is a tag, was a cut apart, and I made it into a tag shape. Then I added this ephemera piece here, and on the back just covered it so it has like a pull. Added this wishes, so it says Happy Halloween Wishes. Just kind of brightened it up by bringing in some of the orange. And then we have a little magnetic tab here. Spooky Wishes Interview Dare. Some elements. This is a cut apart and then a element there, and so this opens up. And I used photo corner punch that I got from Country Craft Creations. It is a Dress Your Craft photo angle punch on all the mats in here, and then I used the sticker sayings for the inside, the spines, and on each piece. So then when you flip this up, it just kind of flows like this. So there's a photo mat. Now this one's not a photo mat, but it's a little pocket. So we've got the little potion bottle and some of the smaller cut aparts, the 2x2s. Here we have a cat and a 2x2, let's boogie. And this one says what? Halloween. Then this opens up, some more of the photo mats with the sayings. A large cut apart, which I did add some sticker stars and some more of the party elements here to decorate it up, and then some of the sayings across the bottom. And I love how that turned out. So then so you go left, right, left, right, left, and then the right closes up with a magnet, and then all your tags can go in here in photo mats. And then lastly, we have the inside cover, which is the same as the front one, except I reversed it to make it for your landscape photos. So same thing, I did originally have just the magnet in the flap, but I decided to add a heavier one out here. I arranged one of the skeletons here on the front, used one of the little telegrams. This opens back. I put ghosties here on the back of this one. I made some photo mats with the black artisan cardstock in that punch and left these little ephemera pieces loose so that you could do that. To hide my magnet, I made this collage here with a one of the elements, some stickers. I just love how you can just build it up and no one ever knows there's been a magnet added there. Here's another photo mat here tucked in, and this one here is pieced again like the one over there, different direction. Some chipboard pieces. I've got the skeleton. I had to cut his legs and rearrange him so he's kind of like leaping and dancing. Pull is here. I did add all these sayings here going this direction, which is a little bit different. I didn't look to see if I could add them on the other one, and I forgot to do that. But anyway, this one pulls like this, so you have your landscape photos this way. And that is my 2024 Halloween album that I made this week. I hope you've enjoyed following along. For my 2024 Frightful Halloween Craft With Me week, that worked out a little bit better for me. I used to do the 13 frights before Halloween, which was either every day for 13 days, which that's a little long for an album, and then I just couldn't think of 13 projects, or I have done it for 13 weeks prior. But I like this, so this may be my new thing for Halloween. I'm not sure. We'll wait and see. But like I said, I do have the tutorial video series. I'll have it in a playlist. I'll do the links down below so that you can watch it. So if you're just finding me and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love for you to subscribe. Click the bell so that you know when my next video is up. The next thing I'm going to be working on is making a 8x10 album, the base of an album, to replace a pre-made album that I did in my last tutorial. And then we found out it had been discontinued, so I want everybody to be able to still make the project. So I'm going to show you how to make the album, and then I'm going to be doing it in the new Graphic 45 Curious and Curiouser collection, which is brand new, and I'm waiting for it to arrive probably today or tomorrow. So anyway, that will be my next project. So you'll need to subscribe and click the bell and share my videos and give me a thumbs up, like, and remember to shop at countrycraftcreations.com, where you can find these wonderful collections and the supplies and the great artisan cardstock. So I hope you all having a wonderful Halloween. Get you some trick-or-treat candy and have a really good time, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.